is noise? Unpleasant or unwanted sound. When unwanted noise gets loud enough, it is unpleasant, it is distracting, it is tiring and stressful. Higher levels cause permanent hearing damage. The effects of noise. Tinnitus, ringing, buzzing, or whistling in the ears when there is no external sound. Hearing loss, temporary hearing loss, short-term exposure to high noise levels. Acoustic trauma, short-term exposure to very high noise levels. Permanent hearing loss, excessive exposure to harmful noise levels. Other health problems: increased heart rate, increased breathing rate, sleep disturbance, lack of concentration, fatigue and aggression, hypertension. Example of noise source: construction, plastic industry, steel industry, power press machine, aircraft industry, dental services, fogging activities. Occupational noise typical level: grinding, stationary power tools, welding, screw gun, wood cutting, working near generator. Occupational noise-related hearing disorder (ONRHD) statistic by year. ONRHD cases 2018 to 2020 based on industries. Highest case by sectors. Subsector in manufacturing with highest cases. How to prevent ONRHD? Through noise control measures. Basic concepts in noise control. Determine objectives and establish criteria. Carry out noise assessment. Consider noise control measures. Formulate a noise control program. Implement the appropriate measures. Hierarchy of noise control measures. Most effective, least effective. Elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, PHP. Noise control strategies. Possible noise control procedures for source, path, receiver. Control at source. Proper maintenance. Reduction of impact forces. Vibration damping. Proper design or selection. Modification or replacement. Use of enclosure. Control at source. Control at path, barriers, shields, absorptive lighting. The correct use of absorptive in the roof will reduce the reflected noise reaching the quiet area. Segregation of the noisy operation will benefit the whole workplace. Administrative control. Organize schedules so that noisy work is done when few workers are present. Notify workers and others in advance so they can limit their exposure. Provide quiet areas for rest break. Limit time workers spend in noisy areas. Reduction of excessive noise through administrative, job rotation, distance, scheduling rosters, quiet areas. Personal hearing protector (PHP) shall not be used when noise control by engineering or administrative noise control measures is practicable. They shall be regarded as an interim measure while control of noise exposure is being achieved by these means. Use of personal hearing protector (PHP). Employer shall ensure PHP provided to the employees are suitable and efficient, properly inspected, maintained and made available at all time, will reasonably attenuate the employee's personal noise exposure below NEL, approved by Director General of DOSH. How to select correct hearing protectors. PPE approval. How to check approval list. The importance of label DOSH serum. DOSH serum label identification.